Activision Blizzard is an interactive entertainment company based in Santa Monica, California. They are responsible for some of the largest franchises in video game history, including Quake, Call of Duty, StarCraft, Warcraft, Candy Crush, and MMORPG World of Warcraft. Activision Blizzard also owns professional esports organization Major League Gaming. On the 20th of July 2021, the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing filed a lawsuit against the gaming giant alleging employment discrimination because of sex, failure to prevent discrimination and harassment, retaliation, and unequal pay. A link to a copy of the filing with the Superior Court of California, County of Los Angeles will be in the description of this video. The CDEFH states that women across the company are assigned to lower paid and lower opportunity levels. Female employees receive lower starting pay and also earn less than male employees for substantially similar work. Defendants promote women more slowly and terminate them more quickly than their male counterparts. The CDFEH also talks about the pervasive frat boy workplace culture that continues to thrive. Mention is made of so-called cube crawls, where male employees would become inebriated and engage in inappropriate behavior towards female employees. Harassment and discrimination against the women working for Activision Blizzard is also a large section of the lawsuit. Female employees are subjected to constant sexual harassment, including having to continually fend off unwanted sexual comments and advances by their male coworkers and supervisors, and being groped at the cube crawls and other company events. High-ranking executives and creators also engaged in blatant sexual harassment without repercussions. The consequences of the environment that Activision Blizzard allowed can be severe, in some cases life-threatening. In a tragic example of the harassment the defendants allowed to fester in their offices, a female employee committed suicide while on a company trip due to a sexual relationship that she had been having with her male supervisor. This was not the end of the situation, however, as another employee confirmed that the deceased female employee had been suffering from other sexual harassment at work prior to her death. Several notable figures have weighed in on the lawsuit, including popular Twitch streamer, YouTuber, and co-founder of gaming organization One True King, Asmongold. He released a post on Twitter on July 21st reading, "Shameful to hear what's been reportedly going on at Blizzard, and that it just makes him sad." Commentary YouTuber with over 2.5 million subscribers, Some Ordinary Gamers, had a more scathing statement. In one of several tweets about the lawsuit, Some Ordinary Gamers encouraged readers to uninstall the popular Activision game Call of Duty Warzone and play something else. He also said that Activision can go die in a f***ing hole. This is far from Activision Blizzard's first run-in with controversy. In August 2020, Business Insider reported that employees of the company were paid so little they were forced to skip meals to pay rent while the CEO made $40 million. A year prior, investigative think tank TaxWatch UK reported that Activision Blizzard had dodged paying billions of dollars of taxes through the means of esoteric legal loopholes. Activision Blizzard has released a statement about the lawsuit, calling the allegations of the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing distorted and, in many cases, false. For Action Streaming News 9, I'm Adelaide Lost.